Hey, so there is this phrase that goes, we attract similar problems. I really hate this sentence, and I would like to say how I would rephrase it and how l.a.p.o.k helps to solve this kind of problems. So, first of all, I think that we just see the similarity in our problems, it's not that we attract them. We see the similarity maybe because we are so interested in that topic, or maybe because we are lazy to think otherwise, or maybe because we are so bothered by that topic. Anyhow, the point is to somehow see a new aspect to be able to find a solution. I think to see a new aspect, we need creativity, because creativity is listening, it's using our previous knowledge, and it is creating something new. Lapok is exactly created for this reason, to turn on creativity and try to find a balance between general information and specific information. So when we are using the cards, Lapok, there are four parts. First, I ask a question, then I pick a card and contemplate about it, then I draw it, copy the card onto another piece of paper, and I edit my drawing with new drawings that are reflecting on what I've been contemplating about. And then for the fourth, the end, I give a new title to this new card, and that's my solution. So when I ask a question, it's basically phrasing my problem into one sentence that is a question of what interests me in the topic rather than a statement of what's my problem with the topic. So that way it's much more intriguing to think about it. Then when there is the answer, then me personally, I believe that when I pick a card, there is some kind of magic in it, that it gives exactly the right card for the right moment. But if you are not like that, still, when you ask the question, you really want to get an answer, then your mind starts to connect the drawing or the title of the drawing with your question, and that is the creativity. So then I start to copy the drawing, and by copying, I turn on listening and turn a bit off thinking. And listening again gives a clearer mind, that is more easy to find solutions with a clearer mind. And then I start editing the drawing. I draw my contemplations onto the paper. And that way I can first of all see how very little lines can create a huge difference in my drawing. And also I can already make my contemplations into actions. So I feel much more like there is a possibility to step from one to the other, to step front. And then when giving a new title to this drawing, I am summarizing again my contemplations into one sentence or one word, maybe even. And that sentence or word is something that reminds me of this time when I've been contemplating about it, when I use my creativity. So it's much more easy to think about my problem because I have good memories with thinking about my problem also. Basically, that's the idea of Lapok. I hope that this helped you understand better why I created these cards.